Hi, everybody. Glenn Rudin from Always Been Creative here again with one of my branding and messaging segments to help you with your elevator pitch and the way you present yourself when you're either on a Zoom call or when you're in person as well. You know, at my Would You Do Business With You seminars, one of the things I tell people that they absolutely have to do is they've got to be enthusiastic. Look, if you can't get excited about your topic, about your product, your presentation, your company, or even yourself, ask yourself, why would your audience get excited about it as well? Boredom for sure is a killer. People pick up on that in a minute. If you are not excited about it, we're certainly not going to be excited about it. Now, keep in mind, your content still has to be good. You still have to have a different message, something unique that will break through. But even the best message in the world is going to fall flat on its face if you can't get pumped up and get excited about it. I will often say to people, when you come to one of my seminars or when you hear me speak, you may not remember what I have to say word for word, but you're certainly going to walk away with the impression that, hey, this guy, Glenn Rudin from Always Been Creative, he is really passionate about what he does. He loves his topics, he loves his products, and he is really enthusiastic about what he's speaking on. And that is so important today. So many of the elevator pitches that I sit through are just plain boring and dull, and people are not really excited about what they're speaking about. That is an immediate killer for anybody that's watching. So next time you're about to go out there, remember, you're on stage in front of the people that you're performing in front of. Give us an enthusiastic performance. Give us something that's worth remembering. It will be worth your while. It's Glenn Rudin from Always Been Creative with tips on messaging and branding. Thanks again.